Welcome to the Art Lady channel. Today I'm going to be comparing a dot mango, which is I call a specialty mango, and these are grown in local farms. And then this is a store-bought honey mango. This one is just purchased at either a grocery store or you can purchase them at local farmers markets. This one was purchased at a garden center, and they have somebody come in that sells these specialty mangoes from South Florida. So they drive down to South Florida, pick up the mangoes, and then bring them back up and sell them at the garden centers. This one is $6 a pound, and I believe this honey mango was between $1 and $2 each. So the difference between your mass-produced ones and your specialty mangoes is going to be huge. This one will probably have not much flavor, and then this one's going to be packed with some nice flavor. So the first one I'm going to cut open is my honey mango. And I'm just going to slice down till I feel the seed, and then go against my seed. So there is the honey mango. Looks like it's got a little bruising down at the bottom here. Didn't seem like it had a lot of fiber in it, but let's cut this way and see. Well, I hear quite a bit. Can you hear it coming through? That's how I can usually tell, because sometimes I skin the seed so it picks up some of the seed crunch. We're definitely getting fiber through there. Okay. So I'm going to taste the mid side right in the middle here first. It's a nice thick, dense, firm fiber, firm texture here. It's not real mushy. Woo! Very tart. Extremely tart. Now this is the honey mango, and it's supposed to have a florally honey taste. I don't taste that. Woo! I can still feel the tartness in my mouth. Wow. Oh my gosh. Super, super tart. I don't get any sugar on this. I don't even know why it's called a honey mango. But like I said, this has been mass produced. And this is shipped probably when it shouldn't have been. I don't think it ripened enough on the tree. But my goodness, is that tart. Wow. It has a good texture, though. A little bit firmer than a peach. So a firm peach texture, very tart, zero true mango taste though. I'm not getting any mango taste. It's almost like eating like a lemon. It's that kind of tartness of a lemon. It tastes very acidic. Very, very acidic. I usually keep all my seeds, but I'm not keeping this one. Not even as a seedling for grafting. Oh my goodness. That's even more tart. And sour. Woo! Yeah, and very acidic. I would never buy these again. That's for sure. Especially for $1 each. I think this one was the $1 one. I think I paid $2 for the Mingalo. This is a honey. And there is no honey about this one, that's for sure. Okay, so that was the honey one. Now I'm going to cut open the dot one. And the dot is a Zill seedling, which a Zill is a nice, sweet, really delicious mango. Oh, I cut that the wrong way. That's because I'm talking. Can't do two things at once. So a Zill is a very nice, beautiful, sweet, very delicious. I'm even considering growing a Zill seedling. So this is a Zill seedling here, and it's called the Dot Mango. And Zill was its parent, or one of the parents. This is supposed to be an early mango, early to mid mango. Looks a little overripe. It's very soft. I'm just going to scoop it out with my spoon here. I could even scoop it out with my cup. Yeah, it looks pretty soft. I can actually do it with the cup here. And just slide it in. Like so. I don't want to get that little spot, did I? I think I did. So, ooh, very juicy. Extremely juicy. All right, let's slice it down this way. It feels like it has 0 fiber. A little. If you listen through it. Not as bad as the other one, though. It says it's a fiberless mango. Woo! Wow. Extreme flavor. Really delicious. Very juicy. It has a mango, a slight true mango flavor, sugary. Look at all the juice. A very sweet, almost orangey flavor. It tastes almost like the Sunny Delight orange drink mix. A beautiful, it's a mushier texture. It may be a little bit overripe here, I'm not sure. But has no bad taste to it as far as musty. So I don't think it's overripe. I think it's just beautiful. The flavor's absolutely delicious. It's a light, I say citrusy almost, but not acidic. Just a juicy, slight mango-y flavor, but not overpowering. I would definitely buy Dots again. Let me slice down this side. It has a monoembryonic seed, so if I grow this, it's not going to come true to parent, which is a bummer because it's a good flavor. I would say this to be more of a light flavored mango, but more on the citrusy, not in acidic, but juicy citrus, like an orangey taste. But not tangy at all. No tang. A really good variety. Now, when you get varieties coming from Gary Zill, you're going to get a better variety tasting, you know, especially compared to your grocery store. This is going right at the seed. A little bit of fiber there. But the fruit, yeah, it's a beautiful taste. It's hard to describe because it's slightly orangey, I'm not getting peachy. It's in the classic family, the classic group. It's just that slight hint of true mango. Look at the juice. My goodness. I'd say a combination of mango and a real sweet orangey taste. Because it's that light mango-y. It's more like tasting like that artificial Sunny Delight that you drink. And then I'm going to let my son taste test the other half. But this is a beautiful, delicious mango that would be worth growing. Nice taste, and it's worth trying. A dot mango. So I hope you liked the taste testing of the two. I hope you learned a little bit about it. Of course, there's huge differences between anything that's grown in smaller nurseries, like your ZIL specialty nurseries, compared to massive produced nurseries. These just blow everything away. The flavor is just, I'd say, 30 or 40 times greater than a grocery store mango. So if you haven't tried specialty mangoes, I suggest you order some if you can't go to the actual farm and get some. You can order online. This information I got, a great company to order from is, I think it's fancyfulfruit.com. They sell mangoes. So if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.